Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, I want to talk with you about how to cut a flower. Where should you cut? When you're analyzing the stem, you don't want to put all of this in the water, so you might take that off. But if you cut below the node, you've got a bulbous area. So you always want to cut above the node where you've got a nice sleek stem. Now if you're working with a miniature carnation or a spray mum or a spray rose, then you might have multiple cuts. You would cut above the node, so you have a nice clean cut here, but then you might analyze the stem and cut right above the node here. So then you have two stems to work with. One for a shorter placement, one for a longer placement. Key is that you always cut right above the node. Now you know where you should be cutting.